Hello, Hawks. This week's lesson is a program that I really enjoy using, and I've used it a lot personally, and we've enjoyed using it in class as well. It's called Canva. So as you see right now, I'm in ClassLink. When you scroll down, once you log into your ClassLink, scroll down to the very bottom, and you will see this icon that says Canva, not Canvas, Canva with no S. So we're going to click that. In your assignment, you are, well, basically you can just kind of explore and see, the different things that this program offers you. You can make different kind of presentations. This might help you even in classes later on. You can make social media banners. You can make different like marketing if you had a business. You can make what we're going to be doing. You can make posters. You can even make invitations for parties, things like that. But we're going to make a poster. So what I want you to do is think about what your plans are for the summer. Maybe you have multiple different plans of things that you're going to do. So I'm going to think of, what's something that I would like to do this summer? Well, I would like to visit the beach. Okay, so there are different templates that are already in Canva. So I'm already in creating a poster, and I'm just going to type in beach and see what comes up. Okay, so you've got these different templates already created, all right, with different beautiful pictures, things like that. So you can change and edit any one of these things, okay? So I kind of like that one. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else. I'm going to find one that speaks to me. Let's see. It's summertime. How about this? Okay, I like that. That's where I'd like to be right now. Okay, so when you want to change the graphics, or I'm sorry, the text on these, you just click the box and you can change what it says. So welcome, Mrs. Taylor. Yes, I'm at the beach now. And then you can move that. You can have it to where it says Mrs. Taylor, welcome. You can change that to be like hashtag, let's see, or I can actually just get rid of it totally. Something like that. If you want to add more text, you can go over here. There's different things over here. So like, let's say I wanted to add another little subheading. I could say, dreams do come true. Because I've been dreaming to go to the beach for a long time. So, I don't know, something like that. Just be silly. Whatever you want, you can add. I think there's even places to add stickers. You've got these little elements of different things, that you can add. Let's see if there's anything beachy on here. Oh, look, there is. So let's say I wanted to add this little crab. He's cute. Okay, I could even put him down here. He's on the beach. I can make him smaller. Maybe he's just a little baby crab over in the corner just to be silly. Something like that. So whenever you come up with the design showing me what your summer is going to be about, you can change the color of these fonts. You can change the style of these fonts, the type of lettering. You can do so much. And the great thing about Canva is it is very intuitive. In other words, it doesn't really take a tutorial to figure it out. If you just sort of click, and most of you all are pretty tech savvy at this point, you can just kind of click around and figure it out. So once you come up with a poster that you like, and you can make as many of these as you want, this is your school Canva account. Okay, you are going to share it with me. So that is how you're going to turn this in. You must turn in at least one of these. One of your posters. You can turn them all in if you want, but you are going to share and copy the link. Okay. So I just copied the link here. We can do view only link. Okay. So we're just going to view it. So I'm going to copy that. And then you are going to go into your assignment, and when you turn that in, you are going to just paste that into the assignment. It's not like a normal upload a photo. It's literally upload a URL link. That is what the assignment is. So you are not having to like upload the poster itself. All you have to do is go to the share, hit view copy link, view only link, and then you're just going to copy it and go back into the assignment and just paste it, and that's all you got to turn in. So once you're done with that, let's say you're like, okay, this is good, I want to make another one. You can go back home. Like when you go over here to your projects on the left, you will see that that's there. Okay, it's already there. These were some other ones that I was kind of looking at the other day. Oh, here's one that I had started to make. Mrs. Taylor's Summer Adventure, Galveston Island, when you really need to get away. So that was one that I was playing around with the other day. But it doesn't have to just be beach things. Maybe you're going to have a video game tournament with your friends. Maybe you plan on playing basketball. Maybe you plan on spending a lot of time napping. I'm sure they have templates for that as well. There's all kinds of cool things over here. And there's even, you can click just templates, and then it's giving you all of the different ones, different subjects, just you name it, they've got it on Canva. It's a very cool program. So have fun. We're going to do this at least for 2 or 3 days this week, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care.